Alright, so I'm back. You can see I put that fire alarm right there. The string goes, can't really see it, but the string is right here against my finger and goes up that hole and goes on. I tied the string there onto this bolt and it goes around there. I'll give it a little bit of slack so then it won't pull off immediately as soon as I pull up. So just watch and now I'm going to test it out. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pick it up off the stand and see if it works. So it's off the stand, and there it goes, and it goes off. So I've got my ghetto rigged safety alarm